Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore Google Forms responses. Accidentally deleted responses in Google Forms. Unfortunately, once responses are deleted, they cannot be recovered within Google Forms itself. However, if you link your form to Google Sheets, you may still be able to restore your lost data. And here's how you can try to recover deleted responses. Let's follow these steps. The first step is to go to forms.google.com. After that, make sure you enter the website workspace.google.com/product/forms. Now, after you exit the website, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. When you log in, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, choose the form you want and click on the Responses tab to check if any responses are still available. Now the second step is to check the Google Sheets backup. If you linked your form to Google Sheets, open the associated spreadsheets by clicking after that, press Ctrl Z or CMD plus Z to undo the recent deletion. When you link it, for example, just press on Ctrl Z to undo the deletion. If that doesn't work, check the version history by clicking on File and then clicking on Version History. Let's look for it. As you can see here, to restore an earlier version. Third step is to check the Google Drive trash. If the entire Google form was deleted, open Google Drive and check the trash folder. And right-click the deleted form and select Restore if it's still there. As for the fourth step, you can contact the Google support. Now, if your form was deleted permanently, Google support may be able to help if you act quickly. While deleted responses in Google Form cannot be recovered, linking your form to Google Sheets provides a backup option, so always enable responses collection in Google Sheets to prevent accidental data loss. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.